to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to share with you how to monetize your passion, aka how to make millions doing what you love. I hope you are as excited as I am to watch this video. So officially, this is my first video on my channel. Can you imagine? Can you imagine? And I'm actually excited to share this because this question is something I get asked a lot of time. You know, when I say, oh, I help personal brands to make money from their passion, their expertise, their experience, people ask me, okay, Temi, how do I do this? In this video, I'm going to show you how exactly. And actually, this video will be an excerpt from my book, How to Make Millions Doing What You Love. Now, this is a very, very comprehensive book on the whole idea of monetizing your passion and all of that. But in this video, I'll share with you one core thing, like a core message I shared in one of the chapters. I think chapter 9 or so, thereabout, right? And this is it. There are 5 steps to monetizing your passion. It is not enough for you to love to do something. It is not enough for it to come to you naturally. I see people who have different passions. They struggle literally on how to convert it into a money-making venture. And you need to know that for it to make you money, it has to be in a form of valuable format that people will be able to exchange money with you for it. You just can't make money by loving to do something or by being good at it. No, people must see a reason why they should pay you for that thing. So in this video, I'm going to break down in bits and pieces, how you can make money, all right? Hey, my name is Temi Ajibewa. Did I say that already? I hope I did. All right, I'm called the Electric Temi. I help thought leaders, coaches, speakers, trainers to launch a profitable personal brand online. I help them with personal branding, digital product creation, and online sales funnel. So if you are particular about launching your personal brand, this is the channel you want to be. Go ahead now, hit the subscribe button if you already haven't, and then turn on notifications so you can hear more from me when I post my value-filled videos every single week. So let's go straight into today's topic, how to monetize your passion. Like I said, there are 5 steps to follow. The first step, and these are proven steps, like it's not me thinking of something I read online on Google. No, this came from me directly, and it is tested and trusted and proven. How about that? All right, so the first thing here is this. You need to identify the problem that your passion solves. What is the problem that has your passion as its solution? Unless you're clear on the problem you solve, people would have an issue paying you for it. So you love to play football. What is the problem here? I mean, entertainment. Boredom is the problem here. And you are helping people to get entertained with your football skills, or with your acting skills, or your dancing skills, or your singing skills. So you must be able to identify to a T. There's a guy I know, something T kills, T keys. Yeah, he plays piano. And ordinarily, he could have just passed for a talented pianist. But guess what? This guy, does his thing with prayers, inspiration, and people really, really feel connected in the spiritual realm when they listen to him. He has been able to tie his passion to a human problem. So the moment you identify to a T, like the problem you're trying to solve, it makes things a lot easier for you. I love to teach. I love to speak. So what is the problem I am addressing? Ignorance. So I love to teach. So I address ignorance. If you don't know, when you come to me, you know. Actually, my very first core value is knowledge. So I have knowledge, execution, expertise and passion. I'm driven, like I'm sold out to getting knowledge, and very importantly, also giving knowledge, which is why I have this channel in the first place, right? Good. So the second thing you want to identify is who are the people you want to solve the problem for. It is not enough for you to identify the problem you want to solve, which I call the hell you want to bring people out of. You have to identify to a T the people you're trying to help. What is their category? How can you describe them? And when thinking of this, think in terms of their psychograph and their demograph. Demograph is the usual attributes you know about someone. I'm talking their gender, their age bracket, their location, maybe their income range, if they are married, if they have kids. These are usual attributes of people. These are their demograph. I'm talking their psychograph here. This is more important. Psychograph here means their way of thinking, their desires, their pain points. Yes, like what are they struggling with that makes you their solution, makes you their Messiah. Think of the heaven they want to get to after you've helped them leave the hell they are currently in. So think in terms of the people you want to help. So personally, I say yes, I do personal branding. I could have chosen to do personal branding for professionals. By the way, I do this training, for corporate organizations to help their staff to brand themselves optimally for corporate success. But online, on social media, I teach personal branding to thought leaders, coaches, speakers, trainers, consultants, creators, right? Sometimes service-based entrepreneurs. These are the people I want to focus on. They are the ones I want to help in particular. So I know it may not come to you easily, but trust me, this is one of the best things you can do for your brand as a thought leader. I promise. Do this and thank me later. Literally. Once you've nailed the people you want to help, it's time to prune your passion. Prune your passion by deciding to work or test yourself. So work with some people for a token or for free. Get them to test your process. This thing you claim you can do, get a few people to test it. I call it the beta testing stage. Or is it beta testing stage actually, where you help people tangibly to solve their problems for a token or for free. This is you pruning. You're getting feedback from them. You're getting testimonials. You're getting real-time interaction with actual people who need your help, who you are helping. Are we together here? So the moment you are clear on who you want to help, go look for them and practice. Yes, they are like your lab rats, but of course with their consent. Let them know that you are new at this and that you're just testing out your processes, but you're sure they will get results. But it also gives you this no pressure platform where you don't get to be under any pressure to deliver. But again, you are kind of under pressure because you don't want to mar your brand from the very beginning. Focus on pruning yourself. Know what works, know does not work. In between that period, document your process. Document the things you're doing. Document everything you did. The deed that worked or did not work. You need to have this together. Now, the moment you're clear on your process, you've pruned yourself, you've removed all the chaff from the weeds, okay? Now it's time to productify. Package your passion. Get yourself to put together products that people can pay you for, that you can exchange a receipt. You can issue a receipt for it. So you can put this and say 1 hour session or a 6 weeks coaching program or an ebook or an online course, a group coaching program, a masterclass, a webinar, a live event, a seminar, or a mastermind session. These are all products that you can create as an individual. Are we clear here? These are all products you can create as a thought leader. So once you're clear on who you're clear that your process works, it's time to productify. Package your passion into something people can pay for. So personally, I have 3 core products for coaches. I have my Business of Your Brand coaching program. This program, I run it for 3 months, where I coach coaches and thought leaders how to launch a profitable personal brand around their passion, their expertise, their skills, what they do. I also have another program called the Digital Product Factory. In this program, I actually share with the students how to create digital products. I teach them how to create ebooks, online courses, webinars, host WhatsApp classes, paid WhatsApp classes, and so on. So that is another product I have. That one is a 6 weeks coaching actually. Then I have a membership, the Sell Your Brand Club. This is a monthly membership where I teach you sales funnels. I teach you how to build a list, how to generate leads, how to run ads, how to do several things that has to do with selling online. So I focus on sales funnel in my club, the membership club. These are all products. I also have one-on-one sessions. I have 1 hour's clarity session. I have 6 weeks coaching, one-on-one coaching. These are all products I exchange receipts for, and people actually pay me. I have my books. I have 3 books currently published. I have ebooks. I have my books on Amazon as well. These are all my books. I'll leave a link below this video on how to get my books. But basically, this is how you productify. You don't just assume people will pay you for nothing. People will not pay you for nothing. There has to be something you are exchanging for the money you want to receive. Now, finally, the last thing you must do is you must promote your passion shamelessly. Absolutely. You need to get as many eyes on your products, on your offer, as many as possible. So think in terms of growing organically, but please also think to grow inorganically, right? Where you run ads. And this is where setting up a sales funnel comes in. You have your ads running, people are coming into your list every now and then, they are snagging something. Like I have a free masterclass that I share on how to create and sell digital products. I'll leave the link below this video. I also have a masterclass on how to launch a profitable coaching business. These are all freebies I give for me to receive your details. And from there, I can make available or present to you my core offers. So promoting your brand is not negotiable. Look out for plenty channels you can use, and I'll be sharing videos more on how to promote yourself online. You can promote on your page, on Instagram, on Facebook groups. Absolutely. You can also promote by running adverts. It could be influencer marketing. It could be others, hosting you on their site. There's so many options for you to take advantage of. But take notes, please. You must identify the problem you solve. You must identify who you solve it for. You must prune your passion, and then you must of course package it. It's important for you to package your passion into something people can pay you for. And then finally, you got to promote shamelessly. Talk about your offers, talk about what you have, and let people see that indeed you carry value, and then that way they will be able to pay you what you are worth. I hope this video has added value to your life. Remember, it's my very first video on this channel. Please do subscribe if you are a thought leader who wants to monetize your personal brand. You want to launch, want to create digital product, you want to set up sales funnels. This is your channel for motivation and everything online marketing, online branding, and so on. Hit the subscribe. Don't forget. I keep saying it. Don't forget. And of course, leave me your comments. You can send me a mail, temi@temiajibewa.com, or find me very easily on my website, www.temiajibewa.com. And then I'll see you in my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.